Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I went grocery shopping and I will have that video listed up in the right hand corner as well as the description box down below. But I thought my fridge needs a major clean out and I was working today, and before I put all of this good yummy healthy food into the refrigerator, I think I'm going to clean it and I'm going to take you along with me. So if you like cleaning videos, please continue to watch, and we will chat with you at the end of this video. There's a look inside our refrigerator. It is a hot mess. Definitely things that need to be thrown out and need some organization. I bought these great bins, which no one but me really appreciates. And I think they are great. I've bought them kind of in stages from Winners, which is like a Home Goods. And what I love about them is they pull. So like this one down here, I can just pull it out and take what I need, pull it, push it back in. So I'm going to clean out this fridge and organize it a little bit better.
Wouldn't let you go if you left me. Wouldn't let you go if we're standing miles apart. I'd be a domino, I would let you know through vibrations of me. Wouldn't let you go if you left me. Wouldn't let you go if we're standing miles apart. I'd be a domino, you would feel my flow on the ground beneath you. Together we fall like dominoes. Wouldn't let you go if you left me. Wouldn't let you go if we're standing miles apart. I'd be a domino, I will let you know through vibrations of me. Wouldn't let you go if you left me. Wouldn't let you go if we're standing miles apart. I'd be a domino, you would feel my flow on the ground beneath you. I'd be a domino, you would feel my flow on the ground beneath you.
There's no use in looking back. Gotta live for gotta live, 'cause I'm so over the past, and I'm living it fast. Underneath the strobe lights, ready for a crazy night. I can hear your heartbeat banging loud like a drum. Let me be your only one. Do you feel what I feel? I'm addicted to the sound. 'cause you're riding steady free. Underneath the strobe lights, ready for a crazy night. I can hear your heartbeat banging loud like a drum. Let me be your only one. You feel what I feel. I'm addicted to that sound. Turn it loud, just make it play. When the love is all around, dream away with the music. I'm
Okay, so there you have it. That is my Clean With Me fridge edition. So we don't have a massive fridge. We're a family of 4. We have limited space, but we make it work. And I really like those inner design bins from Winners or Home Goods, so I highly recommend them. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll make sure to do more Clean With Me's, as well as if you haven't already considered hitting the red subscribe button down below. It would mean the world to me if you did and joined my YouTube family. Until next time, I hope that you have a wonderful day, and as always, take care. We'll see you soon, everyone. Bye now.